Hi guys, for the new API binding sequence, this is what you need to do. Tap on API binding, tap on Binance, then you can already see here there's this copy, right? This is all the IP addresses. So what you do copy. Once you have copied, now we go over to Binance. Okay, we go over to Binance, tap on more, go to API management, tap on edit, open the tap to the bottom, then restrict access to trusted APIs only, tap on that, right, and then you paste it here, tap on confirm, right, okay, done, and go ahead and save, and then do your verification. Okay, Google authentication. Okay, copy it, go to Google authentication, done. For some of you it may be email and phone, yeah, right. Back to Binance, paste that, submit, and done. Okay, so that's how you enable it. Restrict access to trusted APIs only, done. Thank you.